We are in front of the Mole Village Panchayat. Mole Village Panchayat is located at the base of the Western Ghats, and this is the panchayat which is most affected by this whole infrastructure project. The National Highway 4A, which runs through Mole, is being expanded and which will destroy a lot of agricultural lands and forest lands in Mole, but more importantly destroy a large part of the Western Ghats, which is in the protected area of Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. There is also a transmission line which is totally opposed by Karnataka Forest Department, but Goa government is trying to push it, which is absolutely of no need in terms of public interest. It is only for large industries and which is not really necessary. And then the third project is the double tracking of the railways, which is going to destroy tourism, which is the backbone today of the economy of Mole. So we are here in solidarity with the people of Mole and with the village of Mole to try to help protect, try to help them to protect their village, to protect their future, their children's future, and the entire world, the globe, from global warming, which is really the biggest threat to all of us.